Want your Heras fencing to look sharp and fit perfectly? Here's why our tailored Heras fence covers make all the difference. Unlike some suppliers, we precisely cut each cover to fit within the Heras fencing frame. No overhang, no awkward tensioning. Covers that sit over the frame can be tricky to install and cause uneven tension. Ours slot neatly inside the frame for a clean, professional finish every time. Tailored sizing means quicker setup, better tension and no wrestling with fabric. Just attach and go, with eyelets every 50 centimeters for a secure fit. Get in touch for a smarter, cleaner way to brand your site with fence covers that fit perfectly.